Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to teach you how to completely delete your browsing history from incognito mode. Yes, you heard it right. The browsing history from incognito mode it still remains there. So today we will teach you how to completely delete browsing history of your incognito mode, whether it is Google Chrome, whether it is Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, any kind of browser. Within a very few simple steps, you can easily completely delete or remove the browsing history of your incognito mode from Google Chrome. So this process is applicable for all browser. Okay, so first of all we have to click on Windows R, then we have to give the command of cmd and click on enter. Here we'll find this interface. So here we'll write down ipconfig. Please write down in any page, or please remember it because the spelling is very important. Then click on space, then click on slash flush flush dns, then click on enter. So you will see that Windows IP configuration successfully you have flushed the DNS resolver cache. Okay, so within a very few simple steps you can easily completely remove the browsing history from your browser from your incognito mode. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. Do let us know in the comment section if you are liking our video. Do subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family. We will see you in another day. Thank you.